Hello, everyone. So this week we are starting our writing unit, and we are going to be talking about the sentence writing strategy. So for our first lesson, we're going to be talking about the requirements of a complete sentence. So on this slide, I want you to think about what the 5 requirements of a complete sentence are and type them in here. And don't worry if it's right or wrong. I just want to see what you know. And then here, I review what the 5 requirements of a complete sentence are. So you have start with a capital letter. Does it have in punctuation? Does it have a subject? Does it have a verb? And does it make sense? So moving on, now I want you to give me some examples of subjects. So give me an example of what, of a person, of a place, and of a thing. These are our subjects in a sentence. And then here we have action verb. So an action verb is a word that shows the action of the subject of the sentences. So if I said Miss Hester walked, the subject would be Miss Hester and the action verb would be walked. So on this slide, I want you to add a few different body actions and mind actions. So just a quick review, the 5 requirements of a complete sentence are start with a capital letter. Does it have in punctuation? Does it have a subject? Does it have a verb? And does it make sense? So we've already covered subject and verb. So now we need to think about, does the sentence make sense? The book smiled. So take a second and think about that. Can a book actually smile? And then I want you to write yes or no on there. All right, the next one, my dog barked. Howard ran away. Our banana sang. So on those, I just want you to tell me yes or no if it makes sense. So now we're going to practice. So I have given you 5 sentences to practice with. So the first one is the moon swam. And as you answer these, you need to ask yourself those 5 questions. Does it start with a capital letter? Does it have in punctuation? Does it have a subject? Does it have a verb? And does it make sense? And then here at the bottom, I want you to type the sentence correctly. And you're going to do that for these 5 sentences. All right, so now there will be another link, another assignment, which is a worksheet that is practice, and your goal is 80% on that. So I want you all to try really hard and use this PowerPoint and go back and do your best. Let me know if you need any help. Thanks.